What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right here we got a sick box from Whatnot from the seller JNE Industries. It's got a bunch of cool stuff in it, as well as something that I don't even know what it is. I just kind of told him to throw something random in, so I'm really excited to see what that is. If you're not familiar with Whatnot, guys, it is an online auction app where you can bid against others for your favorite collectibles. And if you're interested in signing up and trying it out after you watch this video, there's a link in the description. You'll get $15 free towards your first purchase. In a very rare occasion, I mostly know what's in this box, mainly because I ordered it a few days ago. It got here pretty quick, so thank you for that, JNE. There is one item in here, however, that I don't know. I gave him some money and I told him to surprise me. As always, we have some cool stickers here. There's a Porsche, a Supra. Ooh, that's really cool, actually. That's a really cool looking sticker right there. Another Porsche. Koenigsegg? I think so, right? I'd say that's like a Koenigsegg. Alright, so, what is this here? I don't know. I don't know what that is. I don't remember buying this. I can already tell what this is because I have it, but I definitely didn't buy this, so I don't know if this is a special surprise or whatnot. Let's use my super special one-handed skill to break through this. Oh, cool. The Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 out of the Porsche series from last year. Yep, we have one of these. I don't know if I have one of these open, though. I think I might, but I'm not actually sure. Either way, this is a very cool looking car, and that's awesome to have another one in the collection. This one right here, I know exactly what it is. This was the temporary car that we used to make the transaction for the special surprise. The Honda NSX out of the... It's a little windy today. What's the series in these called again? Oh yeah, the Hot Imports. J Imports series. Yeah, that's a cool one too. I actually have one of these taken apart that I painted white for a custom. I just never finished it. Alright, well, I'm not sure if that was a special gift. If it was, very cool. He did mention to me to do a sun check, so I'm not sure if it's these, because these aren't going to be that exciting in the sun, but nonetheless, they are definitely cool. Ooh, it is windy out today. We're supposed to get some storms tomorrow, so I don't know if that's why. It's also warming up here in Florida. It's about to get really hot, sticky, and probably, frankly, quite miserable. In those hot summer days, I definitely ask myself why the heck I moved here. Alright. Okay. It's really hard to pick, but we'll just go with this one here. I had bought a duplicate of something so I could open it. I don't know, is this it? This might be it. I think I know which one this one is. This was like a last minute decision. Yep. Alright, cool. We got the Mini GT Pagani Huayra Roadster in blue with the gold wheels. I think we're going to open this, guys. I think we're going to open it because I actually have an orange one in package. Mini GT just came out with a new version of the Pagani. This one is a Zonda. He did not have that one yet, so we're going to have to get that down the road. I was hoping he would, but I settled for this instead because... I mean, I don't have it, first of all. And second of all, I love Pagani. So why not? I want to get one of these opened. Let's take this out to the sun. That's cool. That's really pretty. So yeah, I think we're going to open that probably by the end of this video. Well, I'll put that aside and we'll keep moving here. Alright, there's two boxes here. I'm pretty sure that's the special because I only ordered one box. We'll figure that out in a second. I don't know which one I'm going to end up pulling out first, but I will most certainly take out the car that I do know what it is. So this right here I bought a duplicate of because we're going to open it. We'll do that in this video as well. I now have two of these, and well, how could you not? This one is the Lamborghini Huracan GT3 Evo 2 number 83 from the ISMA Daytona 24 Hours. This thing is just beautiful. So yeah, I saw it and I was like, you know what, I had mentioned last time I got it that I was probably going to buy another one so I can open it, and well, here you go, we did it. So let's put this up here. Let's actually put the Pagani up there as well, just so we can remember to open those in the next few scenes. Moving on, yes, there are two items. So, alright, I don't know what the other one is, but this is the one I do know. Let me just go ahead and rip this open here. We got ourselves another Kaido house. This one is the BMW M3 Kaido Works V1. I was very close to actually going with the HKS Datsun wagon, but I ended up picking this instead, mainly because I'm not a huge Datsun wagon type guy. It looks cool with the livery, which is why I wanted it, but I asked him, you know what, let me see both of those out of the box, and then I'll choose between the two, and I just couldn't turn down the BMW. Plus, we don't have, plus, we do not have any type of, I don't think I have any un-Hot Wheels BMW car, so You gotta expand your horizons a little bit, and why not do it with a Kaido? I told myself I would never buy these things, so boy, can things change very quickly. Oh, wow. Ooh, that is super clean. So it's got Kaido House written on the side and then mirrored on the other side. Some big deep dish rear wheels, and then the front wheels are actually kind of like poking out. Looks like maybe some stretched tire action going on there. Oh, that's super sweet. And I know the hood opens too, so let's see how that looks. All right. Oh, it opens this way. Whoa, cool. Oh, wow. That is really, really pretty. All right, let's do a sun check on this. Yeah, that's what's up, dude. Sun check for the win on the BMW from Kaido House. Yeah, this is clean. And of course, we got the anodized bottom with the Kaido House logo. Once again, guys, Kaido House comes from Mini GT, and Mini GTs, I've just fallen in love with them. That is a worthwhile addition to the little Kaido House collection we got going on here. So let's go ahead and just slide some of these cars over. I'm starting to run out of room on these already too here, so we're gonna have to figure out where to put some of the other cars that aren't as exciting, and we'll put that right there. Yeah, let's go. All right, guys, we are now moving on to what I'm pretty sure is the special surprise. I have no idea what it's going to be, honestly. I might even just close my eyes and try to unwrap it. So, yeah, I'm going to do that. You guys are going to either... Let me just feel around in here, make sure there's nothing else. Pretty sure there's not. I'm not looking at the camera. Oh, this is heavy. What the heck could that even be? Let me just peek in here. Alright. Alright, my eyes are literally closed, so let's see if I can... I don't know if this is gonna work. Alright, I gotta put you down. I'm gonna keep my eyes closed because I really want to make this a cool surprise. Alright, I have ripped it open. Sorta. Alright, okay, I think I got it. Well, I feel a box. You guys must know what it is already. Alright. Let's take this off too. Which way is the top? I don't know. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Yo! Oh my god! What the heck? Not what I thought this was gonna be. What is this? Oh my god, what is this? What's the brand on this? Dude. What the heck? Yo! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Yo! It's green. Whoa. Aventador LP 700-4 2.0 limited editions number 47 of 499. Wow. Oh my god. It's like, wow, I'm like speechless. This is about to be like the #1 sun check ever. Ready? Oh wow. It's iridescent green and purple. And it's carbon fiber. Dude, yo. Liberty Walk. Oh my god. That is incredible. Yo, JNE, brother. Thank you so much. Holy crap. Oh my god. And you can even see the brake calipers in there. Oh my god. I'm like speechless right now. Bro, thank you so very much for giving me the hookup on the mystery gift. I might have to do this at all the sellers because... Guys, make sure you go check out JNE Industries. Really cool guy, great seller. He's got a ton of cool stuff. I mean, he's got a room. His selling room, I mean, basically looks like this times a million. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. I'm stunned. All right. Oh, okay. So before we forget, let's go ahead and open these Mini GTs. Oh, is this like a... Yeah. All right. Hold on. Let me clear this whole area out. Alright, let's go ahead and get both these guys open here. Oh my god, what a... It's so sick, dude. That might be my most excited reaction to any car on my channel ever. Alright, where are my scissors here? Alright, this is going to be painful, but, you know, I bought these to open. At least this one. We'll think about this. Maybe we won't open it right away. No, we will. Alright, let me just, you know, let's just get it over with. And it is done. It is done, ladies and gentlemen. Whoa, don't drop it. Dude. Ooh, it's got green mirrors too. See, the little details you don't really notice when it's in the package. That is freaking amazing. Cool, we can get the real deal sun check on this one. That is absolutely beautiful. Wow, I love it. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm quite pumped up to have that on display. Okay, let's do it for this one too now. I'm sorry, packaging, but you know, sometimes in life. Yeah, this is way nicer than the little Hot Wheel I have. I have a few of these in Hot Wheels. One of them is like lime green. It's one of my favorite Hot Wheels actually, but I would say this takes the cake. Oh man, high quality diecast definitely has a different feel to it than just regular Hot Wheels, guys. I never thought I'd get into this stuff, but I'm glad I did because it's nice to have cool pieces like this on display. This thing is really cool. I'm pretty happy I opened it actually. And there you have it, guys. A bunch of sick items from Whatnot here. Let's go over it again. We got the Lamborghini GT3 Evo 2 Huracan in pink, the BMW M3 Kite-Out House in blue, this amazing Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador in like detailed carbon fiber iridescent purple and green with black wheels, the Pagani Huayra Roadster in blue, and then these two cool Silver Series Hot Wheels right here. The Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 in red, and the Acura NSX in blue. Well, that about does it for this video, guys. This thing is so sweet. Thank you so much, JNE. You picked the absolute perfect item for my special surprise. Should I, from here on forward, continue to make the last item I buy a surprise? That was really fun and interesting, so I think I might do it. Just let me know in the comments below what you think of the car or the video and if I should continue to do that. Link in the description. If you haven't tried out Whatnot yet, get your free $15, buy something cool. Hope you enjoyed watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Later!